All right, welcome everybody. Here we are, day 23. Super cool. So, excuse me. So, what are we looking at now? We are looking at starting with ads. And before everyone runs to the hills, everything gets explained in the one page. Okay, so that's what I'm going to need you to make sure that you go ahead and check out. It is in the show notes, so you can in the description, so you know what to do. Okay, right. So ads are going to help us accelerate what we've already got. So, and believe you me, Facebook knows way more about us than what we do. Okay, right. Last time I checked, Facebook has like over 50,000 touch points on each individual. Okay, so what Racheal was talking about today was going into Facebook groups, but not to sort of like poach, but to give away value in a way that it makes the group look good. Okay, right. So she explained that if we post a video into a group, which is non-spammy, which kind of like, means there's nothing for sale in the video, it's pure value, there's no call to action on the video at all, because we don't want to piss the group owners off. My opinion, I would get permission to post it in the first place, because otherwise you could just get banned and kicked from the group. But we share a video from our business page, right, into that group. Right, now I've done this thing before in my own groups. One thing that what we did was I actually created like a welcome video on my Facebook business page and then shared it into my own group, so that when people came into the group, that's the post that they saw. And then I can go into Facebook's audience manager and create a audience based on people watching 75% of that welcome video. Okay, right. So then that becomes my asset. They are now part of my system, right? Part of my follow-up, whatever it is. But the super cool thing about that is that if you're doing it in other people's groups, then Facebook is going to know that just by those people being in the group and those people watching 75% of that video, they're going to think, right, in my case, it was like affiliate marketers. Okay, right. So they're going to know that people that watch about 75% of that video are affiliate marketers, right? Simple stuff. And then we can create what we call a look-alike audience as well. Facebook gives us that ability. So it can then go out and find, based on those people which watch 75%, it's going to be able to go and find all these other people which are most likely to be affiliate marketers. Okay, so that helps us when it comes to actually putting ads out, because that's just going to explode what we're already doing. It kind of makes sense. I mean, her example was lettuce farmers, I think, and a guy did like a 4 or 5 minute video or 6 minute video on cleaning lettuces, posted it into a group, created a Facebook audience of the people that watched 75% of it, because good chance that people who watch the 75% are going to be lettuce farmers, right? So that's simple as that. And then created a lookalike audience of those people, and Facebook said, okay, right, let's go and find all the other people which are most likely, which have a similar type of property, most likely to be lettuce farmers. That was the way it all worked, right? So it's automatically being able to do it. And with ads, none of this really works unless we have the right targeting. Okay, now in the one page it goes through all this process in much greater detail, so that link is posted below, so I highly recommend you guys go and do it. We're not saying that you have to go and start running ads right now, but it is a good idea to create those audiences ready to go. So that's it from me today. Hope you have a good one. Any questions, you know where to find me.